Pinkish Glow, the secret to pinkish white skin with premium formulas. L-glutathione with lycopene, a carotenoid that gives the skin a natural pinkish glow as it combats free radicals. It plays a major role in skin health and influence the color of your skin. L-glutathione, reduced as an antioxidant. It prevents oxidative stress in most cells and helps trap free radicals that can damage DNA and RNA. It protects tissues, improves the systems, prevents liver and kidney damage. Vitamin E, tocopherol. It is a powerful antioxidant and protects the body cell's membranes and other important nutrients inside the cell. Pinkish Glow is the secret to pinkish white skin.